Hello everybody, today we're going to be making spicy Lebanese potatoes. So we hope you guys enjoy this recipe because it's a very nice side dish if you're making kebab or any sort of grilled meat. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first you're going to want to wash and peel some potatoes. My mom recruited my grandpa to help with this task. So whoever's caught in the kitchen has to help my mom. That's how this works. So make sure you catch your family members in your kitchen and recruit them too. Just make sure to put it in water to be able to clean it after you peel it as well. And then you can get straight into chopping it up into nice cubed pieces like this. And yeah, go ahead and finish cutting all of that. And then we'll get into making the sauce for it. Beforehand, put it in some boiling hot water to soften it up a little bit so that it can actually cook once we transfer it to the oven. We want them to get a little bit brown and a little bit crispy. So strain that, make sure, you don't want a fork going through it. We're not making mashed potatoes, but make sure it's a little bit soft. Then you're going to keep it in the strainer, put some olive oil, and then you shake it around to try to get it everywhere. And then you can manually do that, as in get it everywhere, on the pan itself. So just spread the potatoes out, and if you want, you can cover them in olive oil during this step as well. And you're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for a little bit. Just keep an eye on it until it gets nice and brown. Then put that to the side while we make our sauce, or salsa, I guess. So we're going to start with butter and olive oil. Be generous with the olive oil. And you're also going to throw in some garlic and mix that around. So all of this is occurring on low heat, by the way. We don't want anything burning or getting too brown even. We're just trying to mix everything together. Next, we're going to add a little bit of salt, 1 tablespoon of that, alongside with the key ingredient, which is red pepper paste, spicy pepper paste. And this is the step where you can either go mild or hot, get mild or hot paste, depending on your spice preference. The one that my mom uses is honestly pretty good. I have a low spice tolerance, so this one is not bad at all. However, I totally get it if some people out there want to up it, so you should look around for any paste that you think will meet your level. And next, we're going to cut up some fresh cilantro. This is one of my favorite parts of this video because watching her cut them into these little pieces is so cute and satisfying. I wish I could use a knife properly and be able to do this like her. Yeah. Honestly, let us know if you guys want us to make a video on knife tricks and how to cut different things, because I think I would really like that. Learning how to cut different things correctly. And now, just throw in all of the cilantro to the pepper paste, and we're going to mix it a little bit. Remember, low heat, we don't want these leaves turning brown. We want them to stay very nice and green. And to finish off, we're going to top it with ground coriander. And it's interesting, even though they're both from the same family, coriander and cilantro, the dried version of these herbs tastes pretty different, and it brings like a new level to the dish. So make sure you don't forget it. I'd say it's the secret ingredient. Pepper paste is the main ingredient, and coriander is the secret ingredient. And then you're going to pour it straight on top of the pan that you just had made your potatoes in, and just mix it on up. You can also use your hands at this point, but I guess if you don't want to get them dirty, you can struggle like my mom did for a little bit. And finally, you can start to enjoy. Get an obnoxiously small fork like this and taste a couple to make sure it's ready. Honestly, this is such a cute thing, but I've never seen us use it like in a real application. It's cute though. But yeah, eat 1, eat 2, eat 3, eat more, finish the whole thing, and then you can give it a solid thumbs up and rate it a good job. Very nice, yummy. But that's about it. Hope you guys enjoy these spicy potatoes, and let us know what your substitutions are for the paste if you are going spicier. But that's about it. Happy spicy potatoing. Bye!